Welcome to my YouTube class. My name is Barnabe. Uyu munsi tugiye kwigira hamwe verb to be in simple present tense ndetse na present continuous tense. Now part 1 ni verb to be in simple present tense. I am, you are, she is, he is, it is, we are, you are, they are. I am ndi, you are uri, she is ari we w'umukobwa, he is ari we w'umuhungu, it is gikora ku kintu cyangwa inyamaswa, we are turi, you are muri, they are bari bo batari aha ngaha. Now ingero, I am a teacher, ndi umwarimu, you are a student, uri umunyeshuri, she is happy, arishimye, he is tired, ararushye, it is a book, ni igitabo, we are friends, turi inshuti, you are in class, muri mu ishuri, they are doctor, they are doctors, ni abaganga bo batari aha ngaha ni mu bwinshi. Now iyi verb to be iraza kudufasha gukonjugatinga neza, iraza kudufasha kwigira hamwe present continuous tense, turaza kuyifashisha. So mugomba kwibuka ko I am, you are, she is, he is, it is, we are, you are, they are, aho dushyira am, aho dushyira are ndetse n'aho dushyira is. Now second part, present continuous tense ivuga ibintu indage bigikomeza, ibintu bigikomeza. Urugero, ndimo kwigisha icyongereza, right now ni ibintu ndimo ndakora ubu ngubu. Now structure ufata subject plus am, is cyangwa se are ya verb to be ni simple present tumaze kwiga, tugateranyaho verb, tugateranyaho ing cyangwa se ing form. Examples, ingero, I am eating, ndimo kurya, wenda I am eating chips, ndimo kurya ifiriti. No, I ni subject, am verb to be ni simple present tense plus eat verb to eat, without to tugateranyaho ing. I am eating chips, she is cooking, they are singing, we are playing, he is sleeping. Now she is cooking, aratetse, wenda mama aratetse. They are singing a song, barimo kuririmba, urugero indirimbo. We are playing, turimo gukina umupira w'amaguru. He is sleeping on the bed, arasinziriye umuhungu we ku buriri. Now iyi ngiyi ni simple form of how to construct a sentence in the present continuous tense, kuvuga ibintu bigikomeza, birimo biraba ariko bigikomeza, birimo kwigisha icyongereza. I am teaching English. Now mureke rero tujye kuri common cyangwa se daily life examples, ubuzima bwacu bwa buri munsi. I am washing clothes, ubu ngubu ndimo kumesa imyenda. I am washing clothes. I subject am verb to be in simple present tense, wash verb ing. He is writing a letter, arimo kwandika ibaruwa. We are studying English, turimo kwiga icyongereza now, right now. We are studying English. Please, niba utarakora subscribe irikore kugira ngo tujye tubana muri video zacu, liking, then you share, you comment your ideas. Ikindi kandi munkore like 5 sentences muri comment muzimbwire sentences in simple present continuous tense. Thank you very much. Bye bye.